2 months ago, this is what my sad looking string of spades used to look like. It had lost a lot of leaves, and what I did, and I shared it in another video, I repotted the mother plant. I also propagated the remaining leaves and also propagated the aerial tubulars, which are the little balls that are attached to actually string of spades. And now this is what it looks like 2 months later. You can see there's a lot of new growth. These little growth here is actually new growth from either the actual leaves are propagated or the aerial tubulars. And then also over here, this whole clump of actually green leaves here is the original mother plant. I had trimmed it when I was properly repotting the mother plant. And you can see there's a whole bunch of new healthy green leaves, and it's looking a lot more full, a lot more lush. And I do the same thing. I actually use a glad wrap to cover the plant, and also I place it in an area where it's receiving a lot of sunlight. Basically indirect sunlight all day long and direct sunlight in the afternoon. And I only water the plant now when the soil is completely dry, because really the actual new propagations have actually grown roots, and also the mother plant already had its own original roots. So I let the soil completely dry, and then I make sure that the soil becomes moist again when I'm watering it. There's no need to fertilize this plant because the new soil that I use, it already has fertilizer in it. So I'm going to share with you in what it looks like in 6 months time, and then you'll see what the new growth will be like. And if you find that this video is helpful, have a look at the actual original video where I shared the actual step-by-step process on what I did to revive this plant. I'll see you in the next video.